sight. Swim the fish from left to right. Let's count them one by one. Splashing, darting, having fun. One fish glides beneath the sun. A shiny fin, its race begun. Two fish chase a drifting shell. Round and round they twist and yell. Three fish dive through coral caves, waving tails in foamy waves. Four fish dance in loops and rings, playing tag with flapping wings. Five fish leap in sparkling light, making rainbows in their flight. Six fish hide in seaweed green, peeking out, they're barely seen. Seven fish play peekaboo, with a crab in a tiny shoe. Eight fish spin like a merry-go-round, laughing bubbles all around. Nine fish hum a bubbly tune, underneath the silver moon. 10 fish rest in a cozy nook, reading tales from a shell-bound book. Ooh, 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 ooh. So if you're near the ocean shore, count the fish and maybe more. From 1 to 10 they splash with glee, living wild and swimming free.